Welcome to our channel PreActiveFile. In this video I show you how to download Ashampoo Movie Studio 3 PreActive version. So let's get started. Open Google and type PreActiveFile. Click on the first site. This is the site where you find every kind of software with PreActive version file. Here you can see Ashampoo Movie Studio Pro 3 PreActive version. Click on it. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel and hit on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Click on Download button. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.